Okay, the inverse sine of pi over 4. Because pi over 4 lies in between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Okay, it's in there. Then we can say that this is equal to pi over 4. Okay, example B. 7 pi over 4 does not lie between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So we must evaluate the function first. So the sine of 7 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. And then take the inverse sine of that. So when do we get that? Between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 at negative pi over 4. And the last one, C, the inverse sine of the sine of 3 pi over 4. So again, we evaluate first, then take the inverse. We get pi over 4. So we only evaluate when the initial angle is not in between negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. If it is, then we can just cancel that. But if it isn't, then we must evaluate.